Hi, I'm Dave Evans. Nice to see you. Glad you could join me today for a quick video. I started the HVAC guy, Plumbing and Heating Handyman Express. This idea of helping people keep their house at the right temperature and keep their water and everything intact. It takes the help of a bunch of skilled people like us, so we're here to help you.
Hold on tight, Chase. Hold on tight. All right, thanks.
Well, on the roof, I had quite a bit of work to do because we had to brazen the system. Checked with nitrogen for leaks, and we did find one. Had to fix that. We release the nitrogen and pump it down to a vacuum, and then once all that worked out, open the system up, clean up the mess, go downstairs, and install the evaporator, which is you can see here is this HX series. That's the actually it was a HX series. It's a CD series, but same thing. That just has the TXV on it. Then we had to put the evaporator, sorry, the ceiling. It's a return air filter. So there's two of those side by side, so that she, who is 4'5", could just stand on a ladder and pull down the racks, change the filters. Just a couple clips she's got to pull back. So she was real happy about the whole thing working out. It was a lot quieter than the old one. That's what she said. It was a lot quieter. So all good, worked out, and she's just thrilled about it. So I'm glad that we can figure it out because the building has about 10 of them units in it that need to be replaced, and I think we found a way to fix it. So it's just interesting that the guy next door had lost his fan motor on his condenser, so we replaced that so he'd have air conditioning as well. So we had to order that online. That was got here in like 2 days, so we were able to get that right in right when we were working there. And just a little idea here: remember to insulate your house so that all that hard work you put in there doesn't evaporate, out to the sky. Call the HVAC guy if you need heating and air conditioning work or a handyman. Thanks. Now that you've watched this video, I just wanted to say remember to check your air filter in your house. I'd use the biggest one I could find, wide one. And like and subscribe this channel. It would help us. Thank you.